Exciting news. New players confirmed to be coming at Kaizer Chiefs, and they are confirmed to be traveling with Kaizer Chiefs to Netherlands. The sources have confirmed sources like Austin Di Clobolo and Lorenz Cole. So the deal has been signed. Players are now cosified and they are set to be announced by Monday or Tuesday or Thursday or Wednesday next week. So let's just jump straight to the video because I have so many things to talk about. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand Podcast. This is where uzithola zishisa like out of oven. So please make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and thank you to everyone that has been supporting my channel. Today I've got some interesting news. It's not a surprise anymore. Everyone, they saw the news on internet. I thought they were just rumors until they were confirmed by the likes of Lorenz Cole and Austin Titlobolo, also Jemo Leaf from SABC. So let's just get straight into the video. Woke up today, saw the news, they broke out that Thabiso Munyane, together with Paseka Mako, as we speak, they are both new players for Kaizer Chiefs. Right. The sources said they just signed 3-year contracts. I don't know if it's each player or just one player. So Thabiso Munyane to Kaizer Chiefs, it's a done deal. Paseka Mako to Kaizer Chiefs is also a done deal. They are both set to travel to Netherlands with Kaizer Chiefs for their pre-season campaign. So, what are my emotions? What are my emotions about this news? Of course, I'm excited that new players are coming to Kaizer Chiefs. As always, I'm always excited if new players are coming to Kaizer Chiefs. But there are always buts. Let's go straight into parts. My first part is Paseka Mako. I'm worried about the age. I know he got experience, but the age, I'm not too sure. In this left back position also, a crucial position for Kaizer Chiefs, as we all know. And I think in this left back position situation, Orlando Pirates are playing mind games with Kaizer Chiefs. And Kaizer Chiefs didn't see this coming. You know why? Kaizer Chiefs were focusing on finding the left back, and they were one club that's why were in race for this guy, Fawaz Pasadin from Stellenbosch, right? We heard that also Pirates are in the race. So what Pirates did there, they played mind games. They just released left back, knowing that Kaizer Chiefs loves free agents. They would of course run after Paseka Mako, and we will lose out on Fawaz Pasadin because we are now focused on Paseka Mako, and we think we are sorted in that position because we have Umlungu, we have Tesis Cross, we have Edmilson Dove who can play there. We have and Edmilson Dove is not yet confirmed that he's departing from Kaizer Chiefs. We also have Edin McCarthy who can also play there. We have who else? And now we added Paseka Mako. All of these players, I don't see someone who will be a regular starter. There's someone that we can trust. If I was Basadin, would have been our regular starter, in my opinion. Maybe Paseka Mako be a second option, but now I think we are overloaded in that position. Unless Kaizer Chiefs release some players, the only player that I see that they can release in that position is Edmilson Dove. Of course, not other than that, no one, because they can't release Edin McCarthy unless they will loan him out. They can't release Bradley Cross. So let's see what happens. But I think Orlando Pirates were playing mind games with Kaizer Chiefs, and Kaizer Chiefs fell for the trap. Right now, let's go to the guy that I'm excited about joining Kaizer Chiefs, because he's the player that I really admire. The likes of Thabiso Munyane. Thabiso Munyane is a speedy player. He's a right wing back. He can attack and also defend. So I really like him. The age is fine, 25. There's more room to improve. But my concern is Thabiso Munyane has been an injury prone for Orlando Pirates in the past 13 years or so. He managed to play a few games than his stay at Orlando Pirates, which tells you how much of injuries have been hindering him. Maybe he wasn't getting too much game time because of coach and staff, but my knowledge is Thabiso Munyane is an injury prone. But players do get back in their injury prones when they are joining new teams, right? So let's just hope Thabiso Munyane will be fit and will be monitoring his conditions lapha at Naturena by our fitness staff. So let's hope Thabiso Munyane gets good health and good monitored by Kaizer Chiefs medical staff. So let's see what happens in this week and also next week, because it will be a busy week. Of course, it will be a busy week of transfer news, as the window was closed yesterday, because the window was open for the clubs that were going to Club World Cup, and the window will reopen in the 14th or 15th of June. So next week, Monday or Tuesday, the window will be open again. So let's see what happened in the situation of Faisal Salum and some other rumors surrounding Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Thank you for watching the video. I'll keep on giving you transfer news, so please do subscribe on my channel, and let's wait and see for the trusted sources. Please guys, don't just fall for any sources suggesting transfers on Kaizer Chiefs. Please make sure you follow trusted sources and me also. Sure. Please subscribe to the video, to the channel, like the video and comment. Danko.